When it comes to your children, you want the best. Homeschooling is your chance to shine, as not only a parent, but as a teacher. By keeping your child at home, you are able to conduct their lessons in a timely and efficient manner, and help your child to stay on track with their education. To make sure your child's homeschooled education is successful, there are several things you can do. 1. You want to make sure that you and your child are on the same page. You'll need to sit down with your child and explain the steps that will be taken to ensure their education is successful. 2. Setting up a scheduled time for their education is important. Just because they are receiving their education at home does not mean they do not have a schedule. In fact, with homeschooling, it is very important that your child does have a schedule, and it is up to both you and your child to stick to the allotted time. Before you start, talk with your child and discuss what is the best time of day to start. Some children are best right after breakfast, and others do better at learning after they've been awake for a couple of hours. The wonderful thing about homeschooling is that you know your child, and how their personality and disposition will work throughout the day. 3. Once you have planned out a schedule for your child, you'll also want to get organized. Make sure you involve your child in this, as well. If you have an area of your home, or a room that is relatively quiet and relaxed atmosphere, this will work best for your child. Setting up a designated area for your child's schooling will help your child to understand the difference between school time and playtime. 4. When you have picked out the area, you and your child should make sure it is furnished properly. Your child should have a comfortable desk and chair, as well as all the items necessary to complete their homeschooling, such as paper, pens, pencils, and anything else you may need. By knowing when and where their homeschool area will be, your child will be more successful in taking care of business when it is time. Having all the necessary items your child will need will help the day go smoother and easier. The more you involve your child in the planning and organizing of their school day, your child will be more apt to participate in their learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.